Alright, we're gonna try this in 4K. Alright, so I thought I'd give everybody a life update. As I've not been posting as regularly as I'd like, and there's been a lot going on. To begin with, Mike's mom hasn't been well. She has been battling lung cancer for the last 3 years. And just after Easter, she started going downhill to a point that we thought that was it. She managed to get into hospice care to stabilize her. That's part of what hospice care over here does. It's not just an end-of-life thing. And she started doing really well, but they did think that the tumor spread to her brain. With lung cancer, one of the places it spreads to is the brain, so I think that's part of the reason why she started going downhill. They had her on steroids to stabilize her, I think, to stop the tumor from growing, and she started doing really, really well. So almost to the point that it was like, this isn't normal, this must be the steroids. She was really up. So she came home last 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks? Yeah, it's been 2 weeks. And then last Thursday, she started going downhill again, fast. So fast. And because of her going downhill, she wasn't getting her steroids. Because she was being ill and then she couldn't eat, so she couldn't take her pills. That's basically just caused irreparable damage to her brain, and we are just waiting for her to go. So horrible as that sounds. I hate seeing her like this. This is not how she wanted to live her life. This is not how... She still had things she wanted to do. I know she was ready, but she's done everything. She has no regrets in life, but there were still some things that she wanted to do that she didn't get to do, that she was going to try and do this summer. Then last Wednesday, my husband, Mike, who you've seen in some of my videos, broke his ankle. He went for a walk Wednesday night. I had the day to myself. He let me go have a me day, so I went off to Leeds to go see a film and just chill out in Leeds, go around some shops, which was really great, but because it stressed him out that much, being on his own without me there to help him, he thought, I'll go for a walk, clear his head, so he can start settling down for bed. And yeah, I was already in bed by this point because I was quite tired. We weren't sleeping well because of everything, and he slipped and fell on his ankle and shattered it. So 12 weeks to recovery for that. I'm taking care of him now. My sister-in-law's been up for the last week. She was already going to come up because we were meant to have a family meal out with all her children and everything. And that didn't happen because of the way Frances is. That's the name of my mother-in-law. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it. So yeah. And because of everything, I'm not able to look for work, which is one thing I was really concentrating on. Had some really good interviews, but yeah, I feel like my life's on hold as far as trying to get out of this unemployment rut that I've been in for over a year. So yeah, that's the reason why there's not been too many videos, because just don't have the concentration for it, don't really have the motivation, and I can't really go on walks out too far because I need to be there for Mike, to make sure he eats, to make sure he's taking his medication. He's somewhat mobile, like he can get himself to the toilet, and he can get himself from one room to another, but he still needs help, and I don't want to have my sister-in-law do that as well as take care of her mom. So yeah, life sucks at the moment, but I'm hoping that things will start looking up, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say for now, so hopefully I'll have a more cheerier video the next time I record. Bye.